Stop. If you are going to do a drawing today, then when will you show your collection? It's almost end of the year.
So hello guys, my name is Mugdhan. You are watching and today's video I'll be showing you my art collection. So without delaying any more time, let's get into the video. This is my first paint. This brand name is Yuva. I like this paint quality and paint looks. It gave lot of dark shading, so I like it. I recommend this for beginners. The total paint ml is 120 ml. So this is Fairytale brand. I like this paint lot of. This paint will use lot of in canvas and fabric. And this one paint is 20 ml. A total ml is 200 ml. I like this paint very much. I recommend this for you. Let's move on to next paint. This paint name is Flash. I like this paint very much. The one paint is 50 ml. A 25 color inside. I recommend this for a lot of time. So let's move on to the next paint. So let's move on to the next paint. The next paint is Fairytale neon colors. This paint has a neon colors. Green neon, yellow neon, yellow neon, orange neon. One paint is 15 ml. So I like this paint. I recommend this paint for beginners. Let's move on to the next paint. This paint also a neon color. This paint brand is Flamingo. This paint is dark and light and dark. I like this paint because this paint is very shiny. So let's move on to the next paint. So this paint is fine art. I like this paint very much. This paint is very amazing. I didn't thought this paint will be lot of smooth. I recommend for advanced and beginners. This is it. This is a fine art brand, the Fairytale brand. So this is a 40 ml paint. It will come with 4 brush free. So this is a very amazing pack. I like this brand. So now move on to the next paint. This is very cool. This is very amazing. I recommend for you. This paint will work very smooth and very light and very dark. This paint will come inside this box. And it is Camlin Artist acrylic color 12 shades inside here, including gel, retarded, medium. So let's move on to the next brush. Now I will going to show you the very best and very shiny and very expensive brush. This is a Colgate brush. This is the very coolest brush in the whole world. See, it will come inside this will come star. This is very coolest brush. Link in the description below. And let's move on to the brush. This is a Kamal brush. This is a Kamal brush. I recommend this for you. This is a very cool art. The bristles very cool. But a Kamal art didn't beat this bristles. See, very smoothest bristle in the whole world. So this is the coolest brush. I recommend this also for you. Link is in the description below. Let's move on to the next video. Next brush. This is, I don't know this name, but it is so cool. This is very coolest brush. Point brush, another point brush, fan brush, point brush, point brush, point brush, nose brush, flat brush, flat brush, flat brush, flat brush, flat brush. So this is very coolest brush. But this didn't beat for this. See, it one brush beat all this. 12 brush. This brush is very coolest. I recommend for this brush and this brush. So this is a very coolest brush. Bristles. See the sound. But it didn't beat to this sound. See, this sound is very best. So let's move on to the next brush. This brush is Camlin brush. Wait a minute. It is only 5. Two brushes gone. I got 2 brushes. This is very coolest brush in the whole world. So I like this brush. This brush also very smooth. I recommend this brush for all of you. Link is in the description below. Now I will going to show you 3 flat brush. And that flat brush is invisible. You can see this 3 flat brush. See, the 3 flat brush. Flat is very good. You can see this. So this is a flat brush. So this flat brush is biggest. This is medium. This is very small. I also like this flat brush. I recommend also. See in the tip color. I recommend for all of you. And link is description below. So this is a 3 Fevicryl brush. I told you Fevicryl paste will have 4 brush. So that is a 3 brush. Sitting. This is 1 brush is gone for me. For away from me. So I have this 3 only. So this is very coolest Fevicryl brush. I also recommend this. So cool. See the bristles. I can also wipe out. See also very shiny. So let's move on to the next brush. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 brush. The coolest brush. This is from Artline. I like this brush also. So this brush I recommend for all of you. So this brush bristles is very cool. But this didn't beat this brush. See, very strong. See, I can wipe also. See, very shiny, very shiny. See, very shiny, very shiny. It is coming. So I like this very, very much. That is a really joke, but I like this brush. So let's move on. Wait a minute. The brush is all over. So this is brush I have. Now I will show you my two palette. One palette is this. I'm not that much good at it. And this is two. This is big, this is small. That's it. Did you like this draw? Wait a minute. Did you like this my art collection and this video? Please share and subscribe. Press the bell icon and press the thumbs up button. Till then, be artists and bye.